Welcome back to Honest Ride Radar, the channel where we explore the most exciting, unique, and powerful vehicles on the road. Today, we have something truly special for you: the Kenworth W900 Motorhome. This isn't just any motorhome. It's a rolling masterpiece built on the foundation of one of the most legendary trucks in American history. If you love big rigs, luxury travel, and serious horsepower, you're in for a treat. The Kenworth W900 is an icon in the trucking world. Known for its long nose, classic design, and undeniable presence on the highway, this truck is a favorite among owner-operators and trucking enthusiasts alike. But what happens when you take a W900 and turn it into a motorhome? You get an unstoppable combination of rugged durability, unmatched power, and top-tier luxury. A true home on wheels that can go anywhere and haul just about anything while keeping you in complete comfort. Let's start with the exterior. The Hiki 1-900's unmistakable design remains intact, with that long, imposing hood, massive chrome grille, and signature dual stacks. Depending on the customization, you might see a variety of paint jobs, from sleek metallic finishes to classic pinstriping. The polished aluminum wheels, massive fuel tanks, and air ride suspension all hint at the serious power lurking under the hood. And let's not forget the impressive sleeper and extended cab that house the motorhome's luxurious interior. Speaking of power, the W900 motorhome typically comes with a high-performance diesel engine, often a Cummins X15 or a Caterpillar C15. These engines churn out anywhere from 500 to 600 horsepower, delivering massive torque that makes towing a breeze. Whether you're hauling a boat, a race car trailer, or even another vehicle, this motorhome won't break a sweat. And with an Eaton Fuller transmission, you get the control and reliability that truckers trust for millions of miles. But the real magic happens inside. Step into the living space, and you're greeted by a level of luxury that rivals high-end RVs. High-quality wood cabinetry, premium leather seating, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances transform this powerhouse into a comfortable sanctuary. The spacious layout includes a full kitchen, complete with a refrigerator, microwave, stovetop, and even a full oven in some configurations. Storage is abundant, ensuring that long journeys never feel cramped. The living area is designed for relaxation, often featuring plush recliners, a full entertainment system with a large flat-screen TV, and even a fireplace in some models. The Aibo dining space is cozy yet functional, perfect for meals on the road. And when it's time to rest, the master bedroom offers a queen or even a king-size bed, high-end bedding, and plenty of closet space. Some models even feature slide-outs, expanding the interior space significantly when parked. Of course, a high-end motorhome like this wouldn't be complete without a fully equipped bathroom. You'll find a spacious shower, high-end fixtures, and a vanity with plenty of storage. Some builds even include a washer and dryer, making long-term travel even more convenient. Driving the Kenworth W900 motorhome is a dream. The elevated cab position provides a commanding view of the road, and with air ride suspension, the ride is surprisingly smooth for such a massive vehicle. Features like advanced navigation, backup cameras, and air conditioning in the cab ensure that every mile is comfortable and stress-free. So, who is the Kenworth W900 motorhome for? It's for those who want the ultimate road-going experience. Whether you're a retired trucker looking to travel in style, a racing team needing a powerhouse hauler, or an adventurer seeking the perfect combination of strength and comfort. With the durability of a commercial rig and the luxury of a high-end RV, it's a rare blend of utility and opulence that stands in a class of its own. That's it for today's deep dive into the Kenworth W900 Motorhome. If you love big rigs turned into luxury homes on wheels, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Honest Ride Radar. Until next time, keep your wheels on the road and your adventures rolling.